Wilt Chamberlain and Michael Jordan are the two top NBA all-time point scorers for a single regular season. The total of the points for their best years is 7,070. If Wilt Chamberlain scored 2,053 points fewer than twice the number of points that Michael Jordan scored, how many points did each player score? Let's first define a variable for one of our unknowns. Well, we need to know how many points Michael Jordan scored. So let's let x equal Michael Jordan's points. Well, we were told that Wilt Chamberlain scored 2,053 points fewer than twice the number of points that Michael Jordan scored. Therefore, if x equals Michael Jordan's points, then 2x minus 2,053 is the expression for Wilt Chamberlain's points. We're also told that the total number of their points combined is 7,070. So x plus 2x minus 2,053, or Jordan's points plus Chamberlain's points, is equal to 7,070. Now we have an equation in one variable that we can solve for x. We can regroup and combine like terms. So we have 3x minus 2,053 is equal to 7,070. We can add 2,053 to both sides of the equation to get 3x is equal to 9,123. And we divide both sides of the equation by 3 to get x is equal to 3,041. If x is 3,041, then that is the number of Michael Jordan's points. Then Wilt Chamberlain's points are 2 times 3,041 minus 2,053, which is equal to 6,082 minus 2,053, which is equal to 4,029. Therefore, for their best years, Jordan's points were 3,041 points, and Wilt Chamberlain's points were 4,029 points. We can check that this is correct by finding that the total is indeed 7,070, and Wilt Chamberlain's points are 2,053 points fewer than twice the number of Michael Jordan's points.